free bookkeeping training for Nigerian business owners using a free accounting software. Hello and welcome. I am so excited to see you here. You came here because you want to learn to do bookkeeping properly for your business. You came here because you want to fix the puzzle about your business bookkeeping. I am so glad that you came. You are honestly in the right place. So please meet me. My name is Chioma Ifani Eze. I am your instructor for today. I am a chartered accountant for 14 years and a chartered tax practitioner. My core interest is in working for small businesses. In 2016, I founded a business called Accounting Hub. From 2016 till date in 2020, I have worked for over 500 businesses doing their bookkeeping. So I am not your regular accountant. I am specially sent to work for SMEs. I teach accounting in the easiest and the sweetest of ways. You are absolutely going to enjoy this short training and so much more. So join me in this training and you would understand why I said I am sent to you. So let me paint a picture of the typical Nigerian business owner. You get some money from savings from family or friends. You start a business, right? You never think of how to keep your records. Your core focus at the time of starting is to make money from that business. The only thing you know is that you have cash and some other requirements to start that business. Then after you start, you find that you start losing money. Employees are stealing, you are forgetting some of your debtors, items are getting expired, some items are getting missing, you are spending money, no records. At some point, you are not making sense of the whole thing. All of your business numbers feel like they're all muddled up. Then you suddenly realize that you need an accountant. You start running around looking for a good but affordable accountant. And that's a difficult thing to find. Very good accountants are not affordable. After so long, you realize that you need to equip yourself with some basic bookkeeping knowledge so you can manage to do a lot of your bookkeeping needs by yourself or by your team doing it internally. And then you can afford to invite a good accountant to do some review. Of course, as your business grows, you are able to hire a good accountant. So here's the simple truth. Every business owner must be able to understand basic bookkeeping, whether or not you'll be doing it yourself. We are in the times where loans are so available. Funding is everywhere. They are begging you to come and take money. You drive on the streets and you see signposts saying, come and take loans. CBN has asked banks to give money to SMEs. But why are you not able to access all of these funds? Because you have no bookkeeping records. The business owner who organizes his bookkeeping opens himself up for funding and a world of opportunities. So did you know that less than 10% of business owners have had a formal training in bookkeeping? So guess what? You are about to leave the over 90% who have had no formal training and join the less than 10%. So I celebrate you. You are one of the lucky ones. So let's get started. I want to quickly show you how to use a free tool to do your bookkeeping and track your business numbers. The tool is a software called Wave. You can see the logo on the screen. Wave is free. Wave is in the cloud. Wave is open for you to use. Wave is simple to use. It is also easy to learn. My job here is to get you into the journey of doing your bookkeeping in Wave faster than you would have done it yourself. Of course, I know that for you to opt into this training, you really need to fix your bookkeeping. So let's jump in right away. So here are the topics I'll be covering with you very quickly in Wave. I will teach you how to capture your sales, how to capture your business expenses. I will show you how to track your debtors. And of course, the ultimate question that several business owners cannot answer. I will show you your profit, all in a short time. Let's get started. So this is my browser and I'm going to open the Wave accounting software. So you type Wave apps and you open the software. Of course, if you do not have an account, feel free to sign up a free account. Remember, Wave is free. It doesn't cost you anything to sign up. So because I have an account, I'm going to log into Wave straight ahead. So I am logged into the Wave accounting software and this is the dashboard. We are using a company that is called Clean Ventures for our demonstration today. I want to go ahead and create an invoice. An invoice is a document of sale. Every time you make sales, you create a simple invoice. So let's create an invoice. I click here, create an invoice. I add my customer name and I pick the items that the customer is buying. So let's say this customer is buying corporate cleaning. Remember that Clean is a company that does cleaning services. And maybe this service is for 150,000. Now, automatically, VAT of 7.5% is added to the invoice. And I can go ahead and save and continue. From here, you can go ahead and approve this draft and then send this invoice to the customer. You can go ahead and click this button and it will send to the customer. By the way, take a look at the beautiful invoice that you have created. And guess what? That's how simple it is to record a sale just by creating an invoice. Now, the next thing I want to teach you is how to record expenses. To record your expenses, you go to accounting here and you click on transactions. So you click add expense at my top here. Let's say we want to spend maybe say 3,000 naira on transportation to go to a customer office. So you can write your narration here, transportation to customer office. And you are spending the money from the cash that you have, the amount, maybe you spend 3,400 on a taxi and you are categorizing it under transport. So here you choose transportation, you roll down here and you click save. That's how simple it was to enter an expense. You can see there are other transactions that have been entered on this screen. Now let's go and ask ourselves, we sent an invoice to a client or to a customer and that customer hasn't paid for it. Where can we find our debtors? We go over to the report section and we go to this report that is called aged receivables. That's where the debtors are located. You can see this customer is tracked here as a debtor. They were already owing 63,425 before, and they now bought again for 161,250. The total amount that they owe is 224,675. So this is the report that tracks your debtors for you. Now, let's see the ultimate report that shows you your profits. If we go back to the report section here and you go to this report, the profit and loss report, this is the best report that every business owner should keep his eyes on. You can see this report shows you your income, it shows you your expenses, and it shows your profit very quickly at a glance. Now, this is the summary of the profit and loss report. You can see your income, your operating expenses, 144,900, and your profit. It even tells you that your profit is 64% of your income. Let's look at the detailed report. In the detailed report, it breaks down your expenses into different categories for you to see. Can you see your transportation expense is showing 5,400? Let's click here to expand that and see what it would show us. So when I expand the transportation expenses, you can see the 3,400 we just entered, and there was a 2,000 that was already entered on the 7th of May. So these are the two transportation expenses that make up that total of 5,400. We go back again and look at our profit and loss report. Look at this. A business owner is able to tell his profit every day. As you enter your sales, enter your expenses, you honestly are able to tell your profit. This report you see here is golden. Several business owners, over 90%, do not have these simple reports. They cannot tell all their sales, they cannot tell their profits. And guess what? You just learned how to do this in how many minutes? Very easy to do. Using the free Wave accounting software, you can stand out from the over 90% of business owners who do not have these reports in their hands. Look how beautiful this report is. Even when you click on your revenue, it will break down and show you all the different sales that you made. Can you see all the sales you made on different days that added up to your total sales? Everything on your report can be broken down to show you transaction by transaction how those numbers were arrived at. Brilliant. Like I say to every business owner, if you can ever get to a position where you have your numbers in your hands like this, you are welcome to a world of opportunities. You can access any loan, you can access equity, you can speak to investors, you can take in partners, and most importantly, you have a self-fulfillment that your business is profitable and that you have your numbers in your hands. I'm sure that you enjoyed this simple training. Let's go back and take a summary. Welcome back from your training. I know that you absolutely enjoyed the training. In just a few minutes, you learned how to enter your sales, track your debtors, track expenses, and even know your business profits. You also learned the free Wave accounting software, a beautiful tool that fits for small businesses. The amazing part of starting with a free software is that it shows you all the things you wish it could do. Then you're better equipped to build a proper wish list when shopping for a paid or more advanced software. Interestingly, Wave also offers you a mobile app so you can do your accounting on the go. So let's get real now. I know that you want more. You know that this Wave software does so much more than you learned. You know that you like this software and you want me to use my exciting teaching style and show you the rest of the software. Do you want to learn how to set up the Wave software? I'll show you 13 important things you should do. Do you want to learn how to enter purchases, how to manage your suppliers and vendors, how to move money from one bank to another, how to spend from your bank account? You know, in the free training, you only learned how to spend from cash accounts. Do you want to learn how to make the software automatically chase your debtors for you using follow-up emails? Do you want to learn how to balance your accounts very well, even without having any iota of prior accounting knowledge? I'm here to teach you that. I have the perfect offer for you. A Wave online course. It's a 2-hour course with 6 lessons that teaches you the entire software. It is your ultimate solution to your business bookkeeping. Only 5,000 naira. I'm sure you said, wow, for all this? Now, it is enjoyable. It is straight to the point. You can watch it on your phone, on your computer, or any device. I use my step-by-step systematic approach in teaching. So the teaching is not all modeled up. It is topic by topic, step by step. Very easy for anyone, absolutely anyone to understand. I am going to turn your bookkeeping into so much fun. I am honestly the accountant you have been praying for. But guess what? I'm not just going to give you a course for 5,000 naira and walk away. I'm going to give you a money back guarantee. If you buy this course and after watching it, you feel like you didn't learn the things I promised the software would show you, please write to me on info@accountinghub.ng and ask for a money back. And please share with me the things that you didn't find in the training or in the course that you wish you wanted to have there. And so for those reasons, you want your money back. So please find the link. Click on the link below to buy now. Remember, the course is completely self-paced, meaning you can watch, pause, rewind, watch again, watch several times, rewatch and rewatch at your own time. Just keep watching it until you are a master of using the Wave accounting software. So go ahead, click the button that says buy now, use a card or pay by transfer, whichever you want, and start taking your course right away. Go ahead and click the button and watch right now. Let me also mention that I sent you an email already. In your mailbox, you would find the link to this free training so you can watch this free training over and over again. And you can also find the link to buy the paid version of this Wave accounting software training. Thank you so much for watching this training. I know you had a great time with me. I'll see you in the paid class. Take care. My name is Chioma. Bye-bye.